Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a basket comb. Now obviously you need to know how to do a basket and a comb already. In fact, even better would be to know how to do a basket unwind as well. Links in the description below. Without further ado, let's show you the move. It goes like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So let's break it down. It starts off like a standard basket. So we go back, 2 hands, we wrap the lady in. Now we twist the lady out, and as we twist the lady out, the left hand, guys, combs the lady, and then actually we send the lady straight forwards, hanging on with the right, so we're rolling the lady away. Preparation at the end of this, just like a Wurlitzer, and then it's a return spin and catch. Okay, let's break that down again from the other side and talk numbers. So we go back, 2 hands on 1, we wrap 2, as we twist the lady out we comb 3, roll the lady away 4, preparation 5, return spin 6 and back 7. So let's do it together. Here we go. 5, 6, a basket, comb, it's a back, wrap, comb, away, prep, return spin and back. Technically you could call it a basket comb unwind as opposed to just a basket comb, but I've never met anyone who did do that, but that's what it is really in all reality. Thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end, coming up in the windows in the last few seconds of the video, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.